Hi, أنا سارة من لبنان. I am Sarah from Lebanon. The most memorable thing for me was to meet different capoeiristas from different countries, spend time and days with them just to get to know them, to learn about their capoeira, to learn about their music, to learn about the way they do things, the way they escape, the way they would kick, and also learn about what people eat and like and enjoy. We've done many things together, and that's one of the things that I will take with me. For me, the festival was very special indeed. For me, the festival was mostly about meeting people, meeting capoeira practitioners that are living and breathing capoeira every day, and yet they found time to give us class, to tell us what to do, what not to do. And I really feel grateful to have been under their wings for at least these few days in the festival. I'll definitely try to pull more and more people. I come from the Middle East, and it's a far journey to come here, but it's completely worth it. So I'll try to push more and more people from my region, from the Middle East, to come to Saraqua, to come and enjoy these beautiful days in beautiful nature around beautiful people. So it's absolutely worth it. I would pull myself to come next year. شاركونا السنة الجاي Capoeira Festival 2024.